In this video, I'll show you how to set up Stripe Connect for a marketplace. First, sign into your Stripe account. Once you're logged in, click Connect Accounts in the left side menu. If you're setting up Stripe Connect for the first time, complete the initial setup before creating connected accounts. Next, click Create Connected Account. Choose the type of account that best fits your marketplace, such as Standard, Express, or Custom, depending on how much control you want over onboarding and account management. After that, enter the required information and configure the account settings. You can also customize how payments, fees, and payouts will be handled for your connected accounts. Once you've finished the setup, save your changes and complete the onboarding process. Your connected account will then be ready to receive payments through your marketplace. Finally, test your setup in Stripe's test mode to make sure everything is working correctly before accepting live payments. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Stripe Connect for a marketplace. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.